Oh.
How's it going, guys?
Nice job, buddy.
Jerk him out. Jerk him out.
Oh,
There we
he's got another
go.
one. Oh, no!
Don't push the button. Don't push the button. Okay, walk to the edge.
Is there-
walk
is he
to the
still-
edge. Walk to the
He's
edge.
not on a hook. He's not on a hook. Oh, wait, watch out for your hook. Let's pick him up. Let's put him back in the water. He's not on a
Okay,
hook.
put your hook over here. Yes, you can pick him up. You can pick him
Careful,
up.
the fins have little pointies on them. You have to pick him up from the top down.
You know what I mean? Or
There you go. That'll work.
Nathaniel just caught one in the
Pinch
water.
him
Hurry
up.
up, he's
Pinch
gonna
him right
die.
on the gill. Put him right.
Stolen a few.
What you want to do? What you want to do is get your thumb and your forefinger. Okay. On either.
Oh no, don't flick over me.
Mommy.
Oh my God!
Oh my
Oh my God.
Hey, stop screaming. Stop screaming.
You got two fishes. Is that a musk?
That was just totally like.
That is a bass.
brought that
Fishing by accident.
Yeah, really. No
Oh,
kidding.
you could see
It's a largemouth.
Oh my
Largemouth.
gosh.
Yeah.